be on the phone too.
Okay, what do I now?
D13 4C.
D13.
What do you got?
D1037, 256 eastbound, Chevy Avalanche. They took a taser.
10-4, traffic.
10-4.
D13, speeds are only at 88. He's in the fast lane. D13, what's this in 20?
County is 1037 eastbound on I-40.
D13, get on at the 256 east.
We'll see the E-Vise is close to 16. 13, if you get up into it, remember that he's got his taser. D3, it fell off in the road somewhere.
13 4C, 3 direct.
Passing the 260.
260.
Taser 90 in the back one.
10-4 to 16 o'clock.
13, passing the 259.
10-4 to 13, that's 259. T3, you want the next road?
Once it gets in it, straight front.
10-4.
13, there's a female in the passenger seat as well.
10-4, yeah, I seen you when you came by me.
So if you get a stop, make sure you do it only takedown, do not rush the car. 2213 on the or no.
13 616. Did you say you had your taser or it fell out? I've got C-Blue lights in front of me. I'm going up on my thing.
10-4 to 13.
We'll see you later.
63.
Get out the way!
Passing on the right shoulder.
Passing on the inside shoulder. 13.
I'm in. Speed 120.
Speed 120.
616.
616.
Maybe slow roll.
13 primary.
13 primary.
TVI, TVI, TVI. 1016, start 1016.
10-4,
16.
Make sure you go home.
what's the 10-20?
I'll kill you! You better fucking stop, motherfucker! You're a gunpoint! I'll shoot you! I will shoot you! I will shoot you! You better stay where you fucking are! You better not even fucking sneeze! You better stay where you fucking are! I'm watching you!
I told him to stop. I was begging him to stop.
You better stay where you fucking are, motherfucker!
Please, you gonna make these people
You better stay where you fucking are! Yeah, play that fucking game now! Give me your fucking hands. You're a fucking idiot. Yeah, play that game now. Get the fuck up. Get up. I just seen you run. Get up. Get the fuck up. You're a fucking idiot. Oh, you're just running? Yeah, that ain't working. You're going to jail. Put her in cuffs too. I'm sure you did. Y'all got stopped, didn't you? D13 4 City, 1015 with the driver.
10-4, 10-15.
Oh, we ain't talking no more. Get your ass up. Get up.
I ain't been in I told him to stop.
Get up.
I ain't never been in no trouble.
Oh, y'all in trouble today?
I ain't do nothing.
Where y'all coming from?
I was riding with him.
Where y'all coming from?
I was in Memphis.
Where y'all from?
Memphis, Tennessee, that one.
Oh yeah, y'all in Arkansas. Get up here in this car.
I'm gonna get up there. I ain't gonna do nothing wrong.
Don't y'all know nothing?
I didn't do nothing. I told him to stop.
Sit right there.
Okay. I told him to stop me.
13 4 C.
313.
I promise I did.
I had no damage. 1015 times 2. You pulling up.
I'm trying to ask him to stop. Please stop. You need to stop. Why you doing this? I ain't gonna do nothing wrong, mister. You ain't got to hurt me. I ain't doing nothing wrong.
What y'all got in the car? I smell weed off both of you.
He was smoking the blunt.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't
Come on.
doing that. So I just ride with him. That's all. I don't even know why he came up here. I don't know nothing. I told him to stop.
Hang on.
Okay.
Hang on, just step back here.
I ain't no man. I ain't never been in trouble, mister.
Y'all in trouble today?
But I didn't do nothing.
Sit.
I couldn't sit down. I feel like he's no problem.
13 to 3. D13, D3. We're about 10-4. My car's got no damage. The roadway's clear. Ten 4. 4C, you can start at 10-11. Negative, sir. Mine is 10-4. Stop and restart.